ClickOnCare.com.
Hey guys, I'm Harshni from ClickOnCare.com and today I'm going to review Elovera Moisturizing Lotion. Before we proceed into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to ClickOnCare.com channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Elovera Moisturizing Lotion. It's an everyday part of skincare routine, and this moisturizing lotion, it protects, nourishes and also helps in repairing the dry skin. It comes in a packaging of white and yellow. It's of the quantity 150 ml. This lotion belongs to the brand of Glenmark. What makes this lotion unique in its class is that its key ingredients are aloe extract and vitamin E acetate. Aloe vera helps in soothing out the skin, and vitamin E acetate, it helps in hydrating and also in improving the skin texture of the product. So the directions for the use of this product is that apply the lotion on the affected area as required and use it regularly to prevent the skin from drying, and this lotion is specially recommended to use after bathing. So this was a review of Elovera Moisturizing Lotion, and for more such videos, please like, share and comment down below. And to purchase this product, visit our website www.ClickOnCare.com, and a link will be shared in description box. Please check it, and thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and